She's a super new moon in Capricorn. And I tried so hard to have these readings up as fast as I could. But I'm honoring today divine timing and the shape-shifting, because as I see now, we were always supposed to be here. And it's minus 40, like 6 with the wind chill right now. Woo! Guys, we feel alive. That's the thing about the cold. You feel alive. In the sun, you want to go take a nap in this cold. Woo! You're awake and alive. Spectacular, guys. Spectacular. Alright, guys. So I'm going to honor what has happened. But I'm also going to just apologize for the fact that there's, 18 messages. But you guys go where you feel called to go. That's how this works. And I always do everything is how I feel called to do it, and try to break it up so it makes sense. And use the masculine, right? But it's all part of the whole, and we honor the feminine. Now I just want to get a few messages, because I know there's many. So let's just start with the Black Moon astrology. Oh, guys, what? Patch is in here. Patch is in here. What is Patch? What do we got? Well, we know we're going from fear to love. That's how we're healing. Oh, and what's this? Through the 3 of Cups. Our connection to the 2 and the Ace. The waters of life. We know we had a completion with the mother by healing and working with the father. And the father, in order to do that, honored and healed with the mother. And that's why we got fire and water. And that's why I was so excited, because like this reading was so perfect. And when, like I said, when it just deleted, I was devastated. I fell. And it took some time to get back. But my old self would not have been able to do that. I would have shut down. And I would have given my energy away to the devil. The devil energies. And I would have been gone for some time in order to come back. But I was able to do so much quicker, because I've built those patterns from within to without. And that's what this is about, guys. This is about healing with force and healing with our emotions and working with the 6th sense, expanding it so we don't feel so lost from within to without. All right, what messages want to come forth here? Well, we have 3. I'm not surprised, guys. Look, we're going from the South Node, our life's debts, to the North Node, our life's purpose. This is our connection to the 10 of Cups. And I thought that was the 10 of Cups, guys, but it's the 2. But we're going to the 10 through the 2 with our great genius, Uranus. And there's our connection to Aquarius. There's so many connections to Aquarius season. And the Lunar New Year. The year of the black water tiger. So we're going to do this with our feelings and our connection to Cancer, and working and expanding with our soul. And there it is. There's Aquarius. Guys, we're going to know. We're going to understand. We're going to expand with our consciousness, but we're going to, because we feel with force, we're going to act on it. And that's where the patterns are going to be created. Build. That's the building. Okay, the building through the earth. With the earth. The earth element is here, stability. We're creating stability. We're investing in the earth. All right, let's see how we are, where we're going now with our energy. So we've added another tetrahedron, guys. We've added another tetrahedron. So it's okay, I didn't have to do much. Here's the card. I hope it's up. I hope it's right side up. Is it? Nope. Close encounters. And wish upon a star, guys. Vulnerability as a strength. Letting others see your wounds as well as your strengths. Setting healthy boundaries. This is a time of connection that asks for you to be vulnerable and authentic. Let go of any social masks and constructs you use to keep yourself apart from others. Lower your shields and allow yourself to step into the dance of intimacy. When you become close to people, you remind yourself that you are not alone. You're part of a beautiful, meaningful bond. And this is our connection now, because you know, we've been separate for some time. We're going to go back to unity through union. Reunion. At a deep spiritual level, there are so many lessons offered to you in this closeness. At a social level, intimate relationships help you ignite the spark of life that is the power of affinity. You flourish as a result of offering emotional honesty, a true desire for equality, love, friendship, and laughter. And guys, this is everything that's happening here. In our connection to the three of cups. I can really feel the pull to the 3. But it's honored with the 2 and the ace. Remember, the waters of life. Our connections with the mother and our feelings. The creation of intimacy through connection. We aren't meant to be alone. And that's what I mean when, you know, there's people that are saying we're just healing within. But we're healing from within to without. We weren't meant to be alone. And we have to honor that here. And there's many people that I have seen on these spiritual quests that just get stuck in the solitude, get stuck in being alone. And yeah, because we get used to it, we get comfortable there. But the whole point is to go from separation back to unity through union. There's another step. And that's what I'm saying. Be careful by taking advice from without. Always go within and go within what resonates with your spiritual quest. This is a journey from within. And it doesn't mean that we are not affected without. If anything, we're greatly affected without. We came to elevate from within to without. And we will always be in alchemy from without to within. You weren't meant to be alone, yet sometimes we are wounded and we build walls around ourselves so we don't get hurt again. That's it. It's time to be honest about yours and step out from behind that barrier and engage in all of life. This is a beautiful opportunity to allow your vulnerability to be your strength as you choose to live in integrity and without artifice. Artifice? Even in your work life, this mode of connection allows you to be truly present. When you live this way, everything and everyone thrives. You have no need to defend yourself when you're being truly and utterly you, empowered by your raw openness and willingness to be seen. In this way, your close encounters will not fail you. There is much to celebrate when you stand eye to eye, shoulder to shoulder, sharing your heart. And we remember this is elevated. We know we've healed from codependency, right guys? Now where are we going? Where are we going? And many of us are still healing from codependency. But it feels great. It does feel great. You know, I didn't think I was ever going to be able to do it. I'm a Pisces. I mean, you know, sun sign, I can alchemate. That's a mutable energy that is like water vapor that just becomes a part of everything and everyone. But my moon sign being in Aquarius, woo, watch out. Oh, guys, they know we're in a rush, so we're going with it. I don't want these readings to be 12 hours long. So we have the 6 of Cups. We know that's being honored here today. That's the reunion. And we're doing that with justice. We've healed through the center point with seed energy here. Okay? And we also have this sword. We've balanced our karmic scales. And this sword is double charged. It's got the positive and the negative within it. This is healing and clearing up that hack with the element of air. And we did it by creating peace. But look, guys, do you see the presence of fire there, and what needed to be purified with the Father has been purified in order to create this peace? And this is healing with force. We have to expand with our consciousness by acting with force. And it's our force. It's not letting the systems dominate where we apply our force. It's us applying our force from within to without. And that's how we heal with the masculine and honor the feminine. So there it is, the Six of Swords. We move away from what's no longer serving us. We cut away from what's no longer serving us from these old structures. We know we're working with Capricorn, and we're building the economy and structures of the new world. And we heal with the word economy and what that means, because in the old world, economy means finances. In the new world, it doesn't. It means expanding with patterns of life. And here we have the Knight of Cups. So we're expanding with love. We have the bird's eye view, and we're moving forward. The masculine and feminine are present here. We've healed with the waters. This is where, we've had a completion with the mother. We've leveled up. We're going somewhere now because of this with love. And it's expanding with the sun. We're going to continue on our journey. And there's a connection to the moon boat here. The boat of the moon.
Mom, you know where Mike is? He's right here.
Oh, there he is. He was doing the tarot earlier. Okay, so now we apply force. We have the Page of Wands here with the element of youth. So we're going to act on this love. We're going to act on it as we heal from the Five of Swords. And we're doing that with the Empress. We're doing that with the Mother. This is us having our completion with the Mother. And it is, we healed with the Five of Swords within the mind. And we understood where to apply force, our own force, with the masculine from within to without. Not without to within. Everything we just discussed with not letting the systems of the outer world control how we operate. Because we're not going to remain broken anymore. We're healing ourselves. We're elevating. We're creating anew. And these old systems got to go. So we expand and connect with the Three of Cups. There it is. And that is working with the Ace of Wands. And when we do this, guys, where's that Ace of Wands? It was just here. Anyways, we heal with death. Okay? We heal with death. I was going to get one more card, and there it is. Guys, it's all just operating this way. So we expand with love. I was going to get a few more cards, and this is just how the deck broke. We expand with love. We heal with the air element. Now we have all four tetrahedrons present. As we work with our truth, our connection to Saturn and Capricorn, we transform with these patterns. We know that Scorpio is connected to Pluto and healing from the extremes, sex, death, and rebirth. So now we're expanding with our light from within to without. We went from without to within. Now we're going from within to without. And this is healing from addiction and patterns of escape in order to have our reinvention with Mercury retrograde. And of course we are, because we're expanding with air. We're purifying with air. And this is connected to the solar eclipse, our revolution. And our great revolution was healing with the masculine and fire. This is what's been activated with the solar eclipse. And of course, it was the total solar eclipse in Sagittarius. This is it, guys. Love, light, and healing energy is sent your way to create today. I look forward to seeing you again next time when we expand from here. Until then, I'm sending it to you. Those good healing vibes, guys. I love you all. Take care, everyone. And thanks for bearing with me for this all to come together. I appreciate it. I appreciate our connections. I love you guys.